IMAGINiT technology provides professional services around the Autodesk product family, custom training, standardized training, as well as implementation services, and basically the full range of design services around the Autodesk product line. Lion approached us asking for training for some users. They were having some productivity concerns with their 3D design process, and we're looking for education for a mix of users who were experienced as well as some new employees. So to address the customer's issue, the sales team, along with a professional consultant from our training team, engaged in a discovery call with the client. We discussed their specific problems, the experience levels of their varying levels of staff, and talked about their process and workflows to allow us to create a customized training course specific to what they were looking for. The solution was successful in a couple of ways. We were able to create a customized training course, delivered at a neutral location, allow their staff to get out of the office, away from the interruptions, and we were able to complete that course in 2 days. The Autodesk Services Marketplace connects customers with solution providers like us by providing a platform where we can get information out to the customers so they can start identifying those opportunities for improvement, and they can engage directly with us to get that proposal and to move forward with the services that they need.
My name is Frank Bruno and I work for Lion. I'm a project engineer and our company manufactures firefighter training gear and also firefighter training facilities. The company's been around since the early 1900s. In the 1970s we started making firefighter turnout gear, and then in 2012 we went into the firefighter training products. The goal was to have our engineers become more efficient with Inventor sheet metal specifically. The challenge was just finding the time. We didn't want to send anyone anywhere else. We wanted to be local to our office, and we also didn't want to do it in our office to minimize distractions. The solution was a success because we now have our engineers up and running in a more efficient manner, using Inventor as well as using the sheet metal functions. So our IT department was able to reach out through the Services Marketplace and connect with IMAGINiT. Lion is currently pursuing our options to upgrade our current vault and software suite to the 2020 platform.